Hey guys, just to let you know, Alex went to poop, and now he told me to do one experiment. Okay. First, I'll start with this. Okay. I take this. Okay, now there's something inside. I don't know where it is. Keep it here for 5 minutes. Now this. Now I need this. Okay, be careful. Shake it. Now take this. Take this. The same thing. 5 minutes finish. 5 minutes. Okay, this is. You don't need this. And take this. We'll put it in the fire. Okay, now it's here. Put it back. There's one more thing I have to put. Take this. Wait, I'm not finished. I'm still doing it.
Okay.
I put this here. Okay. I close it. I shake it. Okay. I take it. And then I put it in here. Okay, I think I have to go back, okay? Okay. I close it. I shake it. Run!